don't like this. That's not right. Okay, well, just got it back. Oh, it's the Harley F-150, the Corrado, and the new kid on the block. Just got it back from throwing $5 of gas in it. I don't like to leave it here sitting in the garage with full tank for no apparent reason. But, I mean, there's no gas underneath it. There was none trailing me home. So that's one problem sorted. 300 million to go. So, okay. Next up, I got some exciting stuff. Kayla got me a great deal on a lift. So that's gonna be going in here. That's actually gonna be going right here where the truck's sitting. And I'll have probably an install video for that. The company that made it does install videos for their stuff, but you know, they don't do install videos in my garage. So that's the thing I'm doing. So, once I do that, the Corrado is going to go on the lift probably, and the Grand National under it, just so I can use some of this ceiling space and clear up some of this floor space so I have more room in here to move around. And then I've got a project going on this summer where I'm going to build out shelving for this whole back wall, along with a ladder built into it to get up to this attic space here, because it's not that usable right now. I'd like to make this space more usable. And then I can get up into that hatch and harass the birds that live in this area. Or not. I don't really care. Maybe I can find out where they're getting in and close that off so they don't get up there so much. It wouldn't be a problem except for there's these holes in the drywall where I think a light was gonna be installed or something. Sometimes they'll see the light through those holes and I get birds trapped here in my shop. That's just not good for business. They poop on the Grand National. Then I gotta clean it. And they bang into the windows a bunch and I feel bad that they're gonna give themselves concussions or something. I've been able to let all of them out. I've never found a dead bird in here, but still, it's just a matter of time. Better to make it so they can't do it. But yeah, those are the projects I got coming up. In addition to doing a bunch of work on the Grand National, and we already are registered for one car show this summer, so you'll get to see some content of that. I don't know how much, but I'll try to get some of that. I'll get some Cars and Coffee content out for you guys, just so you can see I'm not just parking these things in my garage and getting my hands greasy working on them. I also take them out and enjoy them. So yeah, thanks for joining me. That was an unexpected repair, but an interesting one, and it's sorted, so let's move on. It was cheap, pretty easy.